Hey boys and girls, it's time for math. Today is lesson 101, 101. That's a big number. We're going to talk more about that number today as well. So let's talk about today's date. Okay? Are you ready? Is your voice all warmed up and ready to go? All right, April 15th, 2020. All right. Echo after me. Say, April 15th, 2020. Good. Let's say it together. Ready? April 15th, 2020. Good. Now I want you to say it all by yourself. Ready? Go. Nice job. Did you get that 15th? We wouldn't just say April 15, right? We'd have that TH at the end. April 15th, 2020. Very good. All right. Today's number pattern, we're going to have blank, 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 20, 25, 30. All right. I want you to look at it. Write it down. See if you can figure out what the number pattern for the day is. All right, I'm going to get my marker and fill it in as well, okay? All right. Are you ready? Here we go. I filled mine in. Let's see if you got the same as me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Did you get that? Good job. All right, so what are we counting by? Do you remember? We're counting by fives, right? Just like we do in the back of our math meeting book on our counting strip when we count by fives. All right, let's count it together. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Good job. All right, now let's go over the day of the week. Today is Wednesday. Can you say Wednesday? Good. All right, so if today is Wednesday, what's tomorrow going to be? Did you say Thursday? Right, tomorrow will be Thursday. All right, if today is Wednesday, what was yesterday? Tuesday, right? Yesterday was Tuesday. Okay, can anyone tell me what 2 days make up the weekend? Think about it. There are 2 days that make up our weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Good. So what days make up our weekdays? Can we say them together? The days that make up our weekdays are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very good. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get out our math meeting book and get ready to work on our calendar and our weather graph, okay? All right, now yesterday you had a math assessment, right? So we didn't do our math meeting book together. So some of you may have done it on your own. Some of you may not, and that's okay. So let's go ahead and open up to our April calendar. All right, Miss Shaw is going to find her April calendar. I found it. And see, I didn't do my math meeting book yesterday because I did the assessment. So I just didn't get this out yesterday. So let's go ahead. For Miss Shaw, I need to fill in yesterday, which was the 14th, and then today, which is the 15th. So go ahead and catch up. Make sure you have all the way to April 15th. So I've got a 14 and a 15. And today is Wednesday, April 15th, right there. If I look up above it in the column, it tells me the day of the week is Wednesday, right? And we just went over that. Good. When you're done with that, go ahead and flip to your weather graph. We are 15 days into April. So have we had a sunny month, a rainy month, a cloudy month? So go ahead and look out your window and fill in your next square for what the weather looks like today. Very good. Once you're done filling in your weather, go ahead and flip all the way to the back to your counting strips. Okay, and today we are going to count by fives and our hundreds, okay? We're going to just do a couple of these today. All right, so get to the back of your book, get your pointy finger out, and we're going to count by fives, and we're going to go forward, okay? So you should be able to do this maybe with your eyes shut. You want to try that? You want to try to do it by memory? So you don't even need your pointy finger, right? Let's see if we can do it by memory. Here we go, ready? Close your eyes. No peeking. Here we go. Close them tight. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Did I do it? Did I make it all the way? Did you make it all the way? Good job. All right, now let's count by our hundreds, okay? We're going to start at the top. We are going to use our pointy finger, okay? So here we go. Start at the top. We're going to count by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. 1,000. That is a big number. All right, so we did our counting for our day with our fives and our hundreds. Go ahead and flip back to this page and add a number to your number line. You'll have to have your mom send me a picture or tell me what number you added today. I'm kind of curious as to where you guys are at. Since we haven't been doing it together, I honestly don't know what number you're adding today. So maybe your mom could let me know. That would be awesome. All right, go ahead and do that. I'm going to grab my eraser for my dry erase board, and we'll get ready for the number of the day. All right, found my eraser. It wasn't far, thankfully. Okay, our number of the day is 91. 91. What two digits make up 91? Good. Did you say 9 and 1? Did you put it in the right order? 91, right? A 9 and a 1. All right, so if I were going to make this 91 cents, how many dimes would I need for 91 cents? Remember, when we count dimes, we count by 10. So here we go. Let's make some dimes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Let's see how many dimes that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Did you say 9? I would need 9 dimes. How many pennies would I need? I would need 1 penny over here. I'm going to make it bigger. It's not really that big, but it is bigger than the dimes. I just wanted to show that. But that's a little big. And these are really a little small for dimes. All right, so let's count it together, counting our dimes and our penny. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. 91 cents. Very good. Okay, so today we're going to talk some more about nickels and pennies and counting nickels and pennies. Remember, nickels were our silver coin that added up to 5. We counted by 5s. But I have a video for you guys to watch today that hopefully will help explain it really well. So that's in your lesson. You have a link there. But before we go and you watch your video, I want to get out my coin jar. And I'm going to tell you something. In my coin jar, I have 100 pennies. I already counted them all, so I'm not going to sit here and count to 100 with you all my pennies. So I will tell you, though, there are 100 pennies in my jar, and it's kind of heavy with all those pennies. So if I had, let's see, I'm going to write a number down for you. And remember earlier I said we're going to talk about that number a little bit more. All right, look at this number. Can you take a guess as to what the number is? 101. Can you say that? 101. All right, now if my jar right here, we're going to set that down. If my jar has 100 pennies, how many more pennies am I going to need to make 101? How many pennies will I add to my jar to make 101 pennies? I already have 100 in here. I'm going to add 1 penny. So I have my 100 pennies. I add my 1. Now I have 101 pennies. And that number looks like this. Remember? 101. All right, that was on the top of your worksheet today. So go ahead and get ready to watch your video on nickels and pennies. And then you have Fact Sheet 4.0. And then you have Worksheet 101. All right, let's get to work. You've got a lot of good math to do today. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Math Lesson 102. All right. Bye, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.